You just learned how to cut video. And now you have to deal with audio. The first thing I'll show you is how to separate your audio and video tracks. In the toolbar, you can find the linked selection button. Now you can select them separately, but once you move them, you can see that they're still linked, so you're just selecting individually, but you're not unlinking. Press Option-Command-L to link and unlink clips on your timeline. A good thing to know in any software is keyframes. But why would you want to add keyframes? Well, sometimes you'll have peaks that you don't want to burst the ears of the viewer. This first part hits the red on the control mark. The rest is fine. So to fix this with keyframes, we will hold Option and press on this white line. Then we hit the Option once again, basically making 4 keyframes. Now drag the middle keyframes down a little bit. We've only adjusted the volume to this part and the rest is fine. One thing you'll do all the time is fading audio and adding a transition between clips. Set the playhead to where you want your fade in to be and press Option-Shift+D to add a fade in. For a fade out, the shortcut is Option-Shift-G. But my personal favorite way is to expand my timeline using the scroller on my mouse and holding Shift. Also, you can expand your tracks from this menu right here for the video and for the audio. You don't have to expand it that much, but once you do, you will get these handles which you can decide how long your fade in is going to be. You also have this keyframe over here, so you can make a curve for a better effect. And now I'll need you to put on some headphones. Can a beginner make the sound go from your left to your right here? To make this effect, select your clip, go to the inspector and find the pan. Then set a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and scroll all the way to the left. After that, go to the end of the clip and scroll all the way to the right. Your audio track could also be used to automatically remove silences. With ReCut, you just add your clip, and even without adjusting your settings, you remove all the silent parts in a flash. Now either export your file or a DaVinci Resolve timeline and continue editing there. And the good news is that ReCut is on sale till the 2nd of December. So instead of $129, it's $79. But using my link in the description, you'll get $10 off. Get ReCut to support this channel and edit videos faster. Now let's talk about how to normalize audio levels. Click on this video to check it out. I'll see you there.